Partnerships are vital in advancing our mission of transforming lives and communities. That is why we have forged partnerships with HCA Houston Healthcare Gulf Coast Division, Harris Health, and EOG Resources to empower parents to give their newborns a strong, healthy start in life through our Raising a Reader program. Nurses in 6 partner hospitals provide families with a Raising a Reader bag containing educational information and their child's very first book. Thanks to EOG Resources' incredible investment of funding and employee volunteers, thousands more families across the greater Houston region and beyond will be served this year through Raising a Reader. We are delighted to spotlight EOG Resources as a corporate point of light in support of our important literacy mission.
We are proud to host this week-long volunteer event here at EOG Resources in support of a literacy cause close to our hearts, the Barbara Bush Houston Literacy Foundation. More than 130 of our dedicated employees will be assembling an incredible 14,500 Raising a Reader program bags. These bags will be distributed to new parents across our community, providing them with tools to begin a lifelong journey of reading and learning with their children. At EOG, we believe in making meaningful investments, not only in our business, but in the communities where our employees live and work. That's why we are not only contributing our time, but also underwriting the cost of the books, bags, and materials that will benefit the 14,500 families to be served by this impactful program. Our long-standing relationship with the Barbara Bush Houston Literacy Foundation is built on shared values and a mutual commitment to improving lives through literacy. We are honored to continue supporting their mission. The Raising a Reader program empowers parents to give their children a strong start in life by fostering a love of reading from day one. So this mission resonates on a deeply personal level, as many of our employees are parents and grandparents themselves, and we all understand the power of reading to connect families and open doors to opportunity. Our thanks to everyone participating, and thank you to the Barbara Bush Houston Literacy Foundation for allowing us to be a part of this important work. Together, we are helping to build a brighter future, one book, one bag, and one family at a time.